So problem 53, we need to find the area which is bounded by the line y equals 2x plus 1, the x-axis, and the value x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 1. A very interesting problem here. So let's consider the x-axis. So of course this is the x-axis, and then we have x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1. So let this be x equal to 1 and this is x equal to minus 1. Right? So bounded by x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1, and the x-axis, and then we have the line y equals 2x plus 1. Okay, so to find the point here, let us put x equal to 0. If I put x equal to 0, I get y equal to 1. Okay, so when I put x equal to 0, I get y equal to 1. So 0 comma 1 is a point on the line on the y-axis, and then so this line passes through the point 0 comma 1, and if I put y equal to 0, so if I put y equal to 0, I get 2x plus 1, or x equals minus 1 by 2. So x equals minus 1 by 2 comma 0 is another point on the line. So I find that the point 0 comma 1, let me call this as point A, and point B, which is minus half comma 0. These are the 2 points which lie on the line y equals 2x plus 1, right? So I have the line here. So this is the line 2x plus 1 equals y. Okay, so now I need to find this area. Okay, so what is the area which needs to be, I need to find this area, and I also need to find this area. So I need to know this point here. So what is this point? So this is a point where the x value is 1, right? The x value is 1 because this line is perpendicular to the y-axis. So if x equals 1, then what is y? If I put x equal to 1, so 2 into 1 plus 1 equals y, so y equals 3. So this point is 1 comma 3. And what about this point? So this is a point where x equals minus 1. So if I put x equal to minus 1, I get minus 2 plus 1 equals y. So y equals minus 1. So this point is x is minus 1, y also is minus 1. Right? So here I get 3 points. So this is nothing but a right angle triangle. Okay? So let me call this as C, B, D. Okay? And this is E and F. So I have triangle BCD. I need to find the area of this triangle. And I also need to find the area of the triangle BEF. Now triangle BCD has the points B is minus half comma 0, D is x is 1, y is 0, and C is 1 comma 3. So what is the area? The area is half into, I need to find the base. What is the base? 1 plus half, which is 1.5 or 3 by 2, into height. What is the height? The height is y, distance, which is 3, plus I also need to find this area, right? BEF, triangle BEF, which is half into, what is the base? So here the base width is, here x is minus 1, here x is minus half. So this distance is half, and this is the height, which corresponds to 1. The distance is 1. Though the y coordinate is minus 1, the distance is 1, so it is 1. So this is the area which is bounded by y equals 2x plus 1, the x-axis, and x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1. Alright, so now what is the area? I finally get the area as, so this is 9 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is 10 by 4, which is 5 by 2. Okay, now if I observe all the 4 options which is shown on the screen, I find that 5 by 2 is option B. So we get the area of the region which is bounded by the line, the x-axis, and x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1 is 5 by 3 square units, right? So thanks for watching. Make sure that you do like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notifications of all the further uploads, and keep a watch to get solutions of all the other problems of KCET 2020 and all the other previous year KCET questions.